What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith. Today I'm in the beautiful city, you can't really see it, the beautiful city of Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm about to get the Ferrari wrapped. We are getting the Ferrari 458 a brand new wrap today. Now, what's unique about this wrap is they're telling me it has never been put on a car ever before, and it definitely has never been put on a Ferrari. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name's Chandler Smith, and I'm gonna give you a quick recap. First off, I am a real estate investor, and I currently own 114 units of rental real estate. I also just purchased a new storage unit complex with 73 units. And over the course of the last 6 months, I purchased the Stradman's C8 Corvette and the Stradman's Ferrari 458 Spider, both paid for with passive income from my real estate. Now that we've caught you up there, I decided that I wanted to wrap the Ferrari 458 Spider. I looked at literally hundreds of different colors, and luckily for me, I had a wrap company in Vegas reach out to me and say that they wanted to do a wrap completely free. Now, this is Dipped Auto Works, and so I shipped my car out. Ooh, I think this is theirs. Wow, that is clean. I shipped the car out here, and now we're gonna go inside and get it all prepped to get this car wrapped in a color that we have never seen before. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it. All right, we're here at Dipped. I'm looking for Christian. You think you can help me out?
All right, go ahead and follow
Teddy, let's do it. So Teddy, do you guys know what you're doing with this wrap stuff?
Oh man, of course we do.
Perfect. They didn't ding up my car too bad getting it shipped here, huh?
No.
You guys got all kinds of projects going on. Look at that, man. That is sick. Thanks for the tour.
Of course, anytime.
All right, they're working on that. So you guys got to see this in the light. This goes like rainbow. Such a clean job on the wrap on it, but out in the light, it just pops. They're working on this Porsche over here. This looks like it's like some kind of fabric. Look at this guy. Christian, what's up?
Yo!
How's it coming, man?
Man, killing it. Another day in paradise, baby. Yes, sir.
So Christian, tell me about the shop here, man.
Man, so here we are in Las Vegas. Man, Chandler came all the way out from Idaho. We're super duper excited to get this Ferrari wrap underway. And we actually just laid down the first panel. We're stoked, man. We got a couple day turnaround time. Got the holidays here, and we're ready to put some new product on this car. It's a new color we've never used. We're excited, man. We hope you guys are just as excited to see it as well, man. We'll catch you guys soon with it.
So how much is this car?
$600,000.
All right, guys, I'm so excited to see the final result. However, I wanted to mix up the video while I'm patiently waiting. And so we're gonna go drive a Porsche GT3. I've actually seriously been thinking about getting one, and I figured what better way to decide than coming to Vegas and trying one on the track. So we're gonna hop into Speed Vegas and give it a spin. All right, guys, I'm gonna be in RS today, and my brother-in-laws are taking the GT3. So I'm super excited to try these. However, I would be lying if I didn't tell you there's part of me that wants to try the 488 or the Huracan. So we're just gonna see how much time we end up having. All right, guys, I'm here with my instructor, Chris. We hear he's the best driver in Vegas, right?
I don't know where you heard that.
He's gonna show me all the stuff I'm doing bad. I have some nice cars, but I don't know what I'm doing in them, so you're gonna have to teach me up.
We will teach a few things.
All right. Well, I've heard this is the best track car out there. Is that right?
GT3 RS is my favorite car here. It's almost a race car.
Awesome.
You know, it's a race car for the street. It's got a roll cage. It's a really, really cool car.
Cool.
That one sounds good.
Yeah.
The RS sounds even better.
Awesome. Well, let's do it.
Let's do it, man. Go. Chris here with Chandler in the GT3 RS. About to do 15 laps. Let's go have some fun, man.
All right, I'm ready. So right?
Yep.
Sweet. You tell me what I'm doing wrong. I'm no pro by any means.
Nothing. Doing everything right so far.
Perfect.
So this is our pit lane. Essentially, try your shifts, get a feel for that. I mean, you have a car that does that, so you can accelerate here a little bit more. Keep it out here on your right. This is that long, late apex corner. So we're gonna look for that little orange. Little touch of the brake. We don't need much this time. Off the brake, stay out real wide here until the blue cone. At the blue, that's when you're turning in left. See the little green one there?
Yep.
Perfect. Now this car, it does have a strange feel. It's four-wheel steering. So the rear wheels are steering a little bit as well.
Okay.
It kind of makes it feel like it's turning faster than it should. Brake a little, release the brake, start your turn in, trust the car, look ahead, and gas it up. Go for it.
Oh, that was fun, man. Thank you.
Felt good. There you go. Down, down, release brake, coast into the corner. Nice. Squeeze back onto the throttle. Unwind the wheel as you give it more gas, more gas, more gas. Go for it. And brake pretty hard this time. Stay wide. Release the brake. Coasting, coasting. Turn in now and a little bit of throttle through here. Nice. Smooth right there. Nice job. This is our toughest car to like get in right away and learn.
Yeah.
Just because of, number one, most people haven't driven a rear engine. And number two, the brakes are so good on this car, it's deceiving how much you have to use them.
Yeah.
You know, the first 1 or 2 laps, it was like, oh, just a little bit here.
Yeah.
We don't have to transfer weight. All we do is slow down a little bit. But the faster you get going, the more it is important to transfer that weight. So you have to hit them a little harder as you get faster. And I know that's like counterintuitive, like, oh, I'm going faster now. I barely have to brake. It's opposite. You have to transfer more weight, you know, once you get going faster to make sure you have grip up there in the front end. Now make your left, a little bit of gas out of here, unwind the wheel right towards the blue. Lift, good. Now bring it back to the right, a little gas. Now brake hard, hard. Oh, that was me on the brake there helping you a little bit.
Sorry.
Be careful. That's what happens if you get the car in the wrong spot and you're just a little late.
Okay.
I don't have any bad smells in here, so our underwear are still good. Off throttle just for a second. Keep it tight to your right. Nice. Midway through the left, I want you to look ahead to the blue. Accelerate now. More. Go for it. Slight lift. Make your turn. A little bit of gas. Now brake. Brake hard here. Off brake. Turn in. Tight left. Tight right. A little gas out of here. Good. Look for the blue cone way up ahead. Straighten it up. Brake, coast, turn in, nice, keep it tight left, just a little throttle here, maintain that speed, and brake, nice, turn in, release, look ahead, straighten up the wheel, and go for it, right down the middle.
This is so fun.
Keep it going, 3, 2, 1, brake hard, really hard. Downshift, down, release brake, coast into the corner. Nice job, back to the gas here, accelerate out. And brake into here. Chandler, that is 15 laps. Take another nice deep breath here.
All right, guys, the wait is finally over. We are here to go check out the final look on the wrap. What do you think, Josh?
It's gonna be sick, man.
That looks so mean. Wow. Dude.
Now where you're standing right here in the light.
That is nuts. Holy cow. So clean. Dude, I love that on the top too.
Right?
Wow. We gotta get some new wheels on that now.
Bro, have to. Sick ass like gloss black wheels.
Yeah. Wow. Like you can't, I know this video is not gonna do it justice.
not
Because
at
you
all.
can't, it like is so loud over here and it looks like a stealth
Well, even in the
matte
front,
black.
it looks all black.
It's designed to have that matte look, but a little bit of, you know, sheen to it.
Yeah. Wow.
With how heavy these angles are and then these vents, this is all one piece.
So
if you didn't realize, yeah,
clean.
this is all one solid piece. This is a very difficult.
Incredible, man. All right, guys, the sun is just starting to go down over here. And if you look, you literally cannot see any red. Like maybe there's a slight hint, but it's like so wild. It's just a satin or a matte black. It only lights up when you get some light on it. Otherwise, it's just a deep, dark black. And the crazy part is, especially in the right lighting, where like there isn't any lighting, you come over here and it just is a dark, dark black. So wild. We're gonna go take it for a spin and let you see what it looks like when we get a little bit more sunlight. There it is. Did you feel that? We're all over the road right now. Tires are cold. Well, they're not as cold anymore. We were just like this forever. All right, guys, the sun is going down. We had enough time to just show you a little glimpse. And so you're gonna have to make sure that you push the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell so you can catch my future videos where you're gonna get to see a lot more of this car in its finished wrap. So thank you so much. Again, hit the like button, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the future videos. Thanks, guys.